Alex, I'm videotaping. Go and get Bree. Come on, go get Bree.
Wait.
Come on, use your rolling skills. There you go. Where is she? Wait, where is she?
I'm big and
Bree.
skinny.
There she is! Go get her! Alex, come on, use your monkey! Use your monkey! Go! Go! Get her! Where is she? Logan, give the monkey back. Bree! They're chasing each other for a monkey. Are you okay? Guys, get out! Get up! What is wrong with you? You're fine, girl. Alex, where's Bree? I saw her go that way. Other way, Alex. Other way. Look, she's right there. She's just right there. Alex, come back here. They lost. They're such idiots. Did you find them?
Into the magic forest.
Into the magic forest of Michaels. Where? This is like a goose chase. I just saw her go that way.
Where's Logan?
I don't know.
Did he hide it?
Bree. Alex, go get her. Go get her, Alex. Go get her. Let me give you a little push. Go get her, she's right there. Alex, she's right there. Get her. Alex, seriously, go get her. You can do it. Go get her. Seriously. Go seriously get her. Come on, Alex.
I want
Alex.
to get my monkey back.
There goes a brave young man. They're trying to get Logan stole Alex's monkey. Guys, stop it. Seriously. Guys, not in a store. Guys, get up. Don't break it.
Please. I had it first.
Logan, give the monkey back. Well, this is for a monkey.
Wait.
Now go after her.
Where did you get the monkey?
Go after Bree now. Go. It's fun. He's Monkey Man. Bree?
Okay guys, let's go.
Alex, this way.